Right now, inside your gut, there is a process happening that you can't feel, but it directly affects your energy, your skin, your mood, and even your mental clarity. And the most dangerous part is that most people believe everything is fine simply because nothing hurts. But the truth is, your gut can function improperly for years, and you'll just blame your fatigue on age, dull skin on stress, heaviness after meals on random food, and irregular bowel movements as your normal. But is it really normal to go to the bathroom once every 2 or 3 days? Is it normal to wake up already tired? Is it normal to feel heavy after eating and think it's just age? This is where most people are wrong. The problem is not age, and it's not that your body is breaking down. The problem is that your gut's natural movement and cleansing system has stopped working the way it should. Hi, I'm Dr. Steve, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to restore normal gut function without extremes, dangerous cleanses, or dependence on laxatives. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll give you a clear step-by-step plan to normalize your gut and maintain the result every day. And right now, hit like and subscribe so you can better understand your body and make smarter health decisions. Let's get started. The gut is not just an organ. It's 8 to 10 meters of a complex system where movement, processing, and cleansing happen constantly. And when this movement slows down, accumulation begins. Not toxins from the internet, but real metabolic byproducts that, when delayed too long, can be reabsorbed and affect how you feel. You think you're just tired, but sometimes the reason is much simpler. Your gut isn't working the way it should. And here's the key point almost no one explains. Your gut can clean itself. It has a built-in mechanism called the migrating motor complex. Think of it as a nightly cleaning system. Every 90 minutes when you're not eating, a wave of contractions moves through your intestines, sweeping away leftover food and bacteria. But this system only works under one condition. Your stomach must be empty. As soon as you eat something, even a small snack, the body switches to digestion and the cleaning stops. Now imagine this. You have dinner at 9 or 10 p.m. Then you snack again. Your stomach is working deep into the night. And instead of proper cleansing, you're left with just a few hours, or sometimes none at all. That's why many people's gut function slows down over time, even if they eat normally. It's not age, it's routine. Now here's something important. Most people try to fix this with laxatives, but laxatives don't solve the problem. They irritate the gut and force it to contract. That's not recovery, that's stimulation through stress. And if you use them regularly, your gut becomes less responsive without them. I see this all the time. The same applies to frequent enemas. Yes, they have medical use, but when used regularly, they can disrupt your gut microbiome and protective mucus layer. So the main principle I want you to remember is this. Your gut should not be forced. It should be supported. And this is where things get interesting. There are simple things that actually work. First, meal timing. If you want your gut to cleanse at night, your last meal should be no later than 6 to 7 p.m. This gives your body the window it needs to activate its natural cleansing system. Second, water. And it's not just about drinking water, it's about temperature. Cold water can cause spasms and slow down movement. Warm water in the morning, on the other hand, gently activates your gut. One glass on an empty stomach is a simple but physiologically effective trigger. Third, foods that work through natural mechanisms, not irritation. For example, prunes. They contain sorbitol and fiber, which help retain water and gently stimulate movement. But the key is not just eating them randomly, it's using them correctly in the evening without eating afterward. The second tool is flaxseed, one of the most underrated foods. Its mucilage fibers act like a natural gel, helping movement and protecting the gut lining. But here's the catch. Whole seeds barely work. They need to be ground or soaked. And the third point, kefir. Yes, regular kefir. But timing matters. Drinking it at night can interfere with your gut's nightly cleansing. In the morning, after water, it works completely differently because beneficial bacteria survive better and reach the intestines. And now something almost no one talks about, body position. Sleeping on your left side helps movement through gravity. It's simple physics. When you wake up and bring your knees to your chest, you mechanically stimulate your gut. This isn't magic, it's anatomy. Even your toilet posture matters. Real results are not just about having a bowel movement. It's about energy, clear thinking, better skin, stable mood. Because your gut is not just digestion, it's a major part of your metabolism and even hormonal regulation. But here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They feel better and go back to old habits. Late meals, not enough water, chaotic eating, and everything resets. That's why this isn't about a one-time cleanse. It's about a system. Earlier dinner, warm water in the morning, the right foods, small routine changes, and your gut starts working the way it was designed to. This is not detox. This is normal physiology that we've simply stopped supporting. If this resonates with you, hit like so the algorithm can show this to people who really need it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Here we break down things that directly affect your health but are rarely explained in detail. This was Dr. Steve, and I'll see you in the next videos.